I have swapped Sylvester Stallone's face from Tom Cruise's face, and also swapped Elon Musk's face from Dominic Toretto's face. Artificial intelligence tools are revolutionizing the digital world by simplifying complex tasks. Remember how swapping faces between two images in software like Photoshop swap faces could take hours? Well, thanks to AI, you can now swap your face into any photo with AI. Do this with a click of a button. Intriguing, isn't it? Come, let's explore this fascinating world of AI. Today, we'll be using an exciting tool called InsightFace AI. First, how to use InsightFace AI. Here's how you can set it up with Discord. First, log into your Discord account. Next, we're going to bring the InsightFace bot into our server. You'll find the bot's link below in the description. And create a new server. Upon logging into Discord, click on the plus icon to create a server. You can keep the server private if you like, or make it public for a broader community. Let's dive right in. Start by naming your server. I'm labeling mine John's server face. Once you've picked a name, click on Create. Click that link and choose the server you just set up. Ensure you're choosing the fresh server you created, in this case, the John Server Face server. Click Continue to proceed and complete the authorization process, which may need human verification. Now navigate to John's server face. This will redirect you to your newly made John server face as server. Here is actually process start for swap your face into any photo with AI free. Here is where you start uploading the images you want to work with. Enter /saveid in the chat box. The phrase saveid refers to our reference image. Upload this image. As an example, I'm using an image of Elon Musk. Don't forget the next part. It's crucial. Give this ID a name. I'm labeling mine Elon. Hit the Enter key once you've named it. Voila! Your ID is ready. To move on to the next phase, write /swap ID in the chat box. Now, it's time to upload your target image, the image where you want to transpose the face from your reference image. I'll use an image of Dominic Toretto for this demo. Following the image upload, type in the ID name of the reference image you used earlier. Ours was Elon. After entering your reference name, press Enter. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. As you can see, it has seamlessly replaced the face while matching the expression perfectly. Let's do one more swap for good measure. Once again, type /saveid, then upload the image of the person whose face you want to swap. In this instance, we'll use an image of Sylvester Stallone. Assign a name to this ID. I'll call this one Zal. After hitting Enter, you have another saved ID ready to go. Up next, we're going to swap Sylvester's face with Tom Cruise. Start by typing /swap ID followed by the ID name of Sylvester Stallone. Our case is all. vector, and voila! Sylvester Stallone's face appears. Take a moment to appreciate how realistic the image looks. This exceptional AI can alter the angle of the free and fun AI face swap, lighting, and even mimic wrinkles. With this tool, you can face swap photo and have a blast swapping faces and images for a fun-filled experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. If you want to watch avoid biggest mistakes, earn money with AI by creating kids learning animation videos using Chat GPT, click on left. If you want to watch best top 10 AI tools and websites ever super earning sources with AI, click on right. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.